The future of video creation has arrived. Meet Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro Unlimited, now live on Higgsfield. No invites, no region locks, no limits. Just pure creative freedom. For everyone, everywhere. Create lifelike scenes with perfect lip sync, cinematic 1080p visuals, and advanced multi-scene logic. The model everyone's been waiting for is finally in your hands, exclusively through Higgsfield. All these scenes you are watching are created with this amazing platform. With Sora 2, ideas move faster than ever. Type your concept, pick a scene, and watch a full cinematic story unfold in seconds. OpenAI built the intelligence, and Higgsfield is unleashing it. No waiting lists, no blocked countries, just instant access to the world's first uncensored cinematic AI engine. Craft micro-stories, dynamic cuts, structured storylines, and scenes that actually flow. Ideal for filmmakers, marketers, and content creators who want to produce short films, reels, or viral TikToks without ever touching a camera. If you are a creator, you can direct, edit, and publish instantly. If you are an agency, you can produce branded films that feel authentic. If you are a business, you can scale global video content effortlessly in any language. In this tutorial, we'll build 3 projects: a cinematic scene, a movie-style trailer, and a full commercial, all inside Higgsfield. Click the link below and start your cinematic journey. If you are enjoying this type of content, like the video and subscribe to the channel so YouTube recommends more videos like this to you. Let's create a TikTok ad for an energy drink. I'm placing a prompt like this: 15-second TikTok-style ad of a fitness drink on a kitchen counter. Quick cuts, vibrant neon colors, smooth zoom-ins, energetic transitions, upbeat electronic beat, water splashes in slow motion, close-up on condensation drops, and bold text bouncing in sync with the rhythm. After entering the prompt, I am opening Models section. Sora 2 is already selected, but to show you the video quality, I'm choosing the Pro version. I set the duration to 12 seconds so we can clearly see the quality. Then I change the ratio to 1080p and keep the format horizontal. Because as you know, TikTok now supports horizontal videos too. I really want to see how cinematic it can look. After making the setting, I start the generation process. It usually takes around 2 to 3 minutes. All right, our video is ready. You can easily download it to your computer. I'll play it from start to finish so you can see the full thing. Honestly, I'm really impressed by the harmony between the scenes, the music, and the sound design. It feels like a real commercial, and it's hard to believe we created this with just a few lines of text. The camera angles, the colors of the glass, can, and table, everything stays consistent and visually connected. There's great dynamism too, like the ice cubes falling from above and from the side, adding motion and energy. One scene even shows a glass that carries a bit of story, and its color perfectly matches the cinematic tone of the other scenes. Now let's move on and make a movie trailer. Something really interesting and unlike anything you've seen before. Now let's create a trailer for that super romantic movie everyone knows, Titanic. But like I said, this one won't be your typical trailer. First, I'm entering the prompt like this: create a Pixar-style trailer for Titanic, a heartfelt animated story of 2 dreamers from different worlds who meet on the grandest ship. Use bright sunset tones, expressive animations, and playful yet emotional music as their journey flows from laughter and adventure to love and courage when the ocean tests their hearts. I'm starting the generation while keeping all the same settings. I'm really curious to see how it's going to turn out. I mean, I love Titanic, and I also love Pixar-style, so I'm super excited to see how these two come together. All right, our video is ready. From the very first scene, it already stands out. It looks so cute. Let's watch it together.
Have you ever seen the ocean catch fire?
Not until now.
From Pixar Animation Studios.
We come from different worlds, Finn.
Then let's make our own.
This spring, when the ocean tests their hearts, promise you'll...
Honestly, it made me smile right away. Sure, the characters are a bit different from the originals, I know, but that's something you could easily change later. The scene transitions are smooth, and the trailer music builds up beautifully as the scenes progress. The pacing feels just right, and the iconic moments are there too. The ship tilting, the scene on the frozen door, even those are included. And at the end, it finishes just like a real movie trailer, with the Titanic logo appearing on screen. You can probably imagine it too. In the future, we'll be seeing 20 to 30 different trailers in different style for every single movie. Now, let's go one step further and actually create our own original movie scene from scratch. Now we're going to create a cinematic scene from scratch, something animated, futuristic, and complex. Let's see how far Sora 2 can go, and how well it can generate something like this. I'm entering this prompt. Battle of Sky Pirates. Steampunk airships clashing above Victorian London. Glowing engines and smoke trails. Lightning storms tearing through the clouds. Terrified citizens below. 8K. Cinematic lighting. Ultra real. I am keeping the same settings and starting the generation. All right, let's check it out together.
Fire! Let them taste iron!
Incoming! Return volley, now!
Lightning off the port! Brace for shock!
Grapple her, board the hook! Cut that chain before they swarm us!
Surge through the tether, now!
I'll be honest, the last few seconds gave me a real wow moment, especially when the camera zoomed out. But let's stop for a second and look at the first scene. You can see London in the background and pirates fighting in the air. There are two different pirate ships, one red and one blue, symbolizing two opposing sides. And then, one of them catches fire and starts falling. That moment is just incredible. It's amazing how it can create all this with such minimal input from us. Honestly, I believe that in the future, many people, maybe even one of you watching this, will be creating super successful films using tools like this. I truly believe that. Now let's explore Higgsfield's pricing options, available in both monthly and yearly plans. Right now, the annual plan comes with a 40% discount, making it the best deal. You'll get full access to all latest models, like Sora 2, VEO3, WAN 2.5, and Seedance Pro. You can start small with a monthly plan or the basic tier, then upgrade anytime once you're ready to dive deeper. If you're serious about growing with AI and staying ahead of the curve, don't wait for new tools like Sora 2 to be available. They are already live on Higgsfield. Start producing AI-powered ads, cinematic sequences, or full short films. Elevate your work to the next level. Hit the link in the description, try it out, and share your thoughts about Higgsfield, the platform bringing Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro to creators before anyone else. If you found this content helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. I share new AI tools every week.